The Jura E8 is the culmination of years of innovation and refinement, representing the gold standard in fully automatic espresso machines for the home. With its gleaming design and robust construction, the E8 is as much a statement piece as it is a high-performance coffee system. Links to the lowest price for the Jura E8 coffee machine are in the description box below. The user experience begins with the expansive 3.5-inch TFT color display, which is the nerve center of the E8's operations. The high-resolution screen offers vibrant, easy-to-read graphics and a logical layout, ensuring that even the most advanced features are accessible to casual coffee drinkers and connoisseurs alike. The tactile feedback from the rotary switch and buttons adds to the sense of precision and control, making every interaction with the machine feel purposeful. What truly sets the E8 apart is its unprecedented beverage variety. With 17 specialty drinks available at the touch of a button, the E8 caters to every mood and preference. Whether you're in the mood for a classic espresso, a robust Americano, a cortado, or an extra shot cappuccino, the machine is ready to deliver. Each drink can be customized for strength, volume, and temperature, allowing you to dial in your perfect cup with remarkable specificity. As any Jura E8 review will tell you, the PAG2 grinder is a technological marvel in its own right. Designed for speed, efficiency, and longevity, this grinder ensures each batch of beans is ground precisely and uniformly. The grind size can be adjusted to suit your preferred coffee style, from fine for espresso to coarser for longer coffees. The grinder's construction minimizes heat buildup, preserving the delicate flavors and aromas in your beans. Over time, the PAG2 maintains its calibration, so you can rely on consistent results cup after cup, year after year. Jura's pulse extraction process, abbreviated to PEP, is a core technology in the E8, optimizing extraction for short beverages by pulsing water through the grounds. This method draws out complex aromatics and creates a dense, creamy crema that lingers on the palate. The flavor clarity and depth achieved with PEP are immediately noticeable, especially with single-origin espressos or specialty blends. The 8th generation brewing unit in Jura's 3D brewing technology further enhanced the extraction process. Water is distributed evenly through the coffee puck, ensuring every particle is saturated and extracted to its fullest potential. This meticulous approach yields a cup that is balanced, aromatic, and deeply satisfying. Milk-based drinks are elevated by the fine foam frother G3, which is engineered to produce barista-quality microfoam on demand. The frother's design allows for seamless transitions between hot milk and fine foam, enabling you to craft drinks like flat whites, lattes, and macchiatos with professional-level texture and temperature. The foam is consistently dense and creamy, supporting latte art and enhancing the sensory experience of each sip. Maintenance is streamlined with the E8's one-touch milk system cleaning and the intelligent water system, which uses RFID to detect and monitor the Cleariel Smart Plus water filter. This ensures that every beverage is brewed with pristine filtered water, preserving the integrity of your coffee and the longevity of the machine. The cleaning routines are automated and guided via the display, making it easy to keep the E8 in peak condition with minimal effort. The hot water spout is a thoughtful addition for tea lovers and those who enjoy Americanos, providing filtered hot water at the touch of a button. The E8's fluid system is designed for reliability and ease of use, supporting a seamless transition between different types of beverages. For those who enjoy smart technology, the E8 is compatible with Jura's Joe app via Wi-Fi Connect. This integration allows you to control the machine, customize drinks, and monitor maintenance from your smartphone or tablet, adding a layer of convenience and personalization that modern users will appreciate. In daily use, the E8 feels less like an appliance and more like a personal barista. The speed and quietness of operation, the intuitive interface, and the sheer variety of drinks make it a pleasure to use whether you're preparing a single espresso or entertaining a group with a round of milk-based specialties. Every detail, from the grind to the extraction to the milk foam, is engineered for perfection. The Jura E8 is not just a coffee machine, it's an invitation to explore the full spectrum of coffee culture at home. It empowers you to experiment, refine, and indulge, all while delivering consistency and quality that rival your favorite cafe. For those who demand the best in both technology and taste, the E8 stands as an unrivaled choice. That wraps up my thoughts on the Jura E8. If you're considering adding this machine to your kitchen, you'll find my recommended links for the best prices down in the description.